Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by lining up essentials: the fruit you want, the fruit or belly you'll offer, and a trustworthy partner. Once matched, open the trading UI and place items into the trade window. Make sure rarity and visceral value match expectations. Communicate clearly, state exact fruit name, awaken status, and any previous row swaps, so both sides know what they're accepting. Move quickly but deliberately, because servers can drop or players can change offers in seconds. Once offers are visible, you negotiate terms. Specify whether the fruit is awakened, its mastery, and any prior swaps. You should verify by inspecting the item in-game and asking for a screenshot showing inventory and trade window together. This prevents scams. If the trade is high value, propose splitting it or using a neutral, trusted escrow. One person holds items briefly while both confirm. Stay calm, repeat agreed terms, and never accept ambiguous shorthand that could mask a scam. To complete the exchange, do one final verification. Look at each icon, exact name, and count in the trade slots, then confirm. If anything looks off, different fruit, missing awaken, or UI lag, cancel immediately and call it out to the other player. It's better to restart than lose items. If a scam occurs, take screenshots, report the user, and block them. As a troubleshooting tip, if trades consistently glitch, switch servers, relaunch the client, and retry with a vetted middleman.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.